Good evening all of you. Welcome back to the online class, that is the science class for the class 8th, and we are dealing with the chapter chemical reaction. It is your fourth chapter. Right now see where we have reached. In my last lecture I have told you about the some kind of the introduction about the chemical reaction. After that what are the reactants, what are the products, and what is the meaning of the chemical reaction, that we have seen with the help of the examples also, with help of the activity also. Right now, seeing the same series, this is one of the most important topic right now. Properties of the chemical reaction. What are the properties of the chemical reaction? Otherwise, you can say how can we identify that there is any chemical reaction happened or not. Sometimes this particular question it is asked in the different way also. Right now, what is the different way right now? Sometimes it is asked to you, what are the symptoms of the chemical reaction? Means what are the symptoms of the chemical reaction, or you can say what are the properties of the chemical reaction. Yeah, how can you say some chemical reaction it has happened or not, either with the help of the activity. Sometimes it is asked in form of the activity, sometimes it is directly asked. Otherwise you have to explain one particular thing. Okay, so see one by one there are so many properties, 4-5, that I have to explain you again and one by one. So see here in detail some kind of the chemical formulas also you have to learn. I will tell you the trick to learn how to deal it. Okay, so see here, first property is the change in color. What is the meaning by this? If there is any chemical reaction, meaning is that if there is any chemical reaction happened, means two or more substance they have reacted with each other, they are reacting with each other, and after that they are making the new substance. That is the basic about the chemical reaction. What is the basic about the chemical reaction? Whenever I am going to talk about the chemical reaction, one thing you have to clear in your mind. What is the case? Every time you will see either two, most of the times two, some of the times it is 2 or 3 also. So two substances or two substances they are reacting with each other, and after that they are making some kind of the product. Means sometimes you can see here with the example also, two reactants I have taken because they are reacting with each other, and after that they are making the two product also. Okay, so when the reactants they are reacting with each other, so they will form the product also, and the properties of the product it will be totally changed from the reactants, and that's why this is known as the irreversible reaction. Means we are not in a position to get back our original substance back. हम इस पोजीशन पे नहीं होते हैं कि फिर से इसको वापस कर सकें, फिर से लौटा सकें, या ओरिजिनल सब्सटेंस को फिर से प्राप्त कर सकें. And these are the properties of the chemical reaction. So first property we are going to do right now. First is the change in color. Color change हो जाता है. When there is a chemical reaction, means when the two substances they are reacting with each other and they are forming the new substance, means there is a chemical reaction in between the two reactants and they are forming the new product. So what happened? The color of the product is different after the chemical reaction. That is the one symptoms of the chemical reaction, and by this only you can judge that there is a chemical reaction happened right now. Means whenever you will see, initially the color will be different, and after the chemical reaction happening, after the chemical reaction, if the color is changing into the different color, meaning is that they have made the new kind of substance, and the color of the new substance it is totally different one as compared to the previous one. See here, what we are taking with the help of the example I am going to tell you. Zinc. Zinc is a element. Zinc is a element. In some lecture there are so many elements have been found right now. So zinc is a element. When the zinc is reacting with the CuSO4, that is the chemical symbol for copper sulfate solution. Copper sulfate, that you have to learn. 1 time, 2 time, 3 time you will read it. After that the things will become easy for you. So when the zinc it is reacting with the copper sulfate, you can see, and what is the color of the copper sulfate solution? I have written here blue. Okay, copper sulfate का solution बिल्कुल blue color का prepare होता है. तो सबसे पहले अपन ने CuSO4 का copper sulfate का solution ले लिया, and what we are going to add? We are adding zinc. जिंक एक दूसरा मेटल उसमें अपन ऐड कर रहे हैं, एंड आफ्टर दैट व्हाट विल हैपन? देयर इज अ केमिकल रिएक्शन इन बिटवीन जिंक एंड कॉपर सल्फेट, एंड आफ्टर दैट आफ्टर द केमिकल रिएक्शन व्हाट इज हैपनिंग? यू कैन सी क्या हुआ? दैट सल्फेट SO4 को बोला जाता है बेटा सल्फेट आयन. ठीक है, तो जिंक ने अपना सल्फेट बना लिया. पहले कॉपर सल्फेट था, जिंक इज रिएक्टिंग विद द SO4 एंड इट इज मेकिंग इट्स ओन सल्फेट. यू कैन सी, सो ZnSO4 दैट इज फॉर द जिंक सल्फेट. इस नए प्रोडक्ट का नाम हो गया जिंक सल्फेट. और इसका कलर कैसा है, कलरलेस, मतलब पहले ब्लू कलर का था एंड आफ्टर द केमिकल रिएक्शन इट इज चेंजिंग इनटू द कलरलेस सॉल्यूशन. Why there is a colorless solution? Because initially it was CuSO4, copper sulfate, that is the blue color, and after the chemical reaction the new product is going to be formed. And what is the name of the new product? That is the zinc sulfate, and the color of the zinc sulfate, it is always colorless. So that shows that some kind of the chemical reaction has happened. और उसमें क्या होगा, जैसे SO4 के साथ जिंक ऐड हो जाता है तो ये Cu अलग हो जाता है, that you can see plus Cu. इसको क्या बोलेंगे अपन, कॉपर. That is none other than copper. So that is the first point. Okay. Second point, C, release of the gas. Release of the gas कहने का मतलब ये है, after the chemical reaction what happens there, again it is a symptoms, again it is a property of the chemical reaction that if there is a reaction, if there is a chemical reaction between the reactants and they are forming the new product, so definitely some gas, sometimes some kind of the gases it are going to be released. Same thing I have written here. After the chemical reaction, there is a release of gas. कई बार ये भी होता है कि गैस रिलीज होती है if the reactants are liquid in the state. और ऐसा तब होता है जनरली जब reactants, whatever the reactants that we have considered, it is liquid in state. मगर means अगर अपन ने कोई भी reactants liquid state वाला लिया हुआ है, solution के फॉर्म में लिया हुआ है, so definitely one kind of the gas it is going to be released. वो कभी हाइड्रोजन गैस रिलीज हो सकती है, कभी कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस रिलीज हो सकती है. इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन द डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ द रिएक्टेंट्स, डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ द सब्सटेंस. राइट नाउ सी, एंड इट इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय द बबल्स. हमको कैसे पता चलेगा कि गैस का फॉर्मेशन हुआ है? So whenever we are doing that particular activity in the laboratory, so we will see some bubbles are coming out. Some bubbles are appearing in the some bubbles are appearing from the bottom of the test tube, from the bottom of the beaker, and they are rising. That we can see with the help of our eyes. So it will be seen in form of the bubbles. Bubbles के रूप में नजर आते हैं. And what is the gas that is going to be released? जो भी गैस रिलीज होती है in the chemical equation, it is represented by the upward arrow. In the chemical reaction, it is represented by the upward arrow. Chemical reaction में इसको upward arrow से show करते हैं. Right now, see what is the reactants that is considered here. See, first is the calcium carbonate. इस particular element का नाम है, sorry, compound का नाम है calcium carbonate. CaCO3, that is the chemical symbol of calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate already you have seen. Calcium carbonate क्या होता है बेटा? Chalk. Whatever the chalk piece, with the help of it we write on the blackboard, it is none other than calcium carbonate. Plus H2SO4. H2SO4, that is a very popular name. इसको बोलते हैं sulfuric acid. It is a strong acid. So when there is a chemical reaction between the calcium carbonate and sulfuric acid, so what is happening? See, these are the reactants because they are reacting with each other, and after that they will make the new product. They will make the new kind of substances. Right now, see on the right hand side what happens. So what happens? This calcium, Ca is the chemical symbol of calcium. So this calcium, it is reacting with the SO4. And whenever any kind of the element they are reacting with the SO4, so they are making their sulfate. They are making their sulfate, and this sulfate is nothing. It is a salt. It is a neutral compound. So Ca and SO4 they are making calcium sulfate. You can see what is the symbol here. CaSO4, calcium sulfate. अभी आपको प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है, but later on these names will be very much habitual for you. You will come to know कि ये सल्फेट होता है या कार्बोनेट होता है. Okay, all the everything you will learn. Plus CO2. Right now see, Ca and SO4. Ca और SO4 को आप अलग कर दीजिए तो Ca and SO4 they are making calcium sulfate. अब बच गया CO3 और H2. तो हुआ क्या बेटा, ये CO3 में से CO2 गैस रिलीज हो रही है. CO2 गैस रिलीज हो रही है, दैट इज नोन एज द कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस. और यही गैस अपने को बबल्स के रूप में नजर आएगी. गैस अपने को दिखती है क्या? नो, वी कांट सी गैस, लेकिन इट विल अपीयर इन फॉर्म ऑफ द बबल्स. बबल्स जैसी बनना स्टार्ट हो जाएंगे, सो वी कैन से दैट कि हाँ there is a some gas is going to be released. It is none other than this is the कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस. और उसके बाद यहाँ का एक O बच गया और यहाँ से H2 बच गया, तो H2 और O आपस में मिलकर के बना लेते हैं बेटा H2O, एंड दैट इज द सिंबल ऑफ द वाटर. मैंने बहुत अच्छे तरीके से इसको एक्सप्लेन कर दिया, नो प्रॉब्लम. सो दिस हैपेंस, एंड व्हेनेवर यू आर डूइंग दिस पर्टिकुलर एक्टिविटी इन द लेबोरेटरी, जब भी आप लेबोरेटरी में इस एक्टिविटी को कर रहे होंगे, एट दैट टाइम व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, आपको ये करना होगा बेटा कि व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, अपने को ये करना है कि वी हैव टू रेडी विद द बर्निंग कैंडल. We have to be ready with the burning candle. अपने को burning candle के साथ ready रहना है. And we are knowing that कि whenever there is a chemical reaction, so definitely some carbon dioxide gas it will release. और कोई भी गैस ऊपर आती है, सो व्हाट वी हैव टू रेडी, वी हैव टू रेडी विद द बर्निंग कैंडल. बर्निंग कैंडल जैसे ही आप सॉल्यूशन के पास ले जाएंगे, सो इट विल ब्लो ऑफ, it will blow off. Why? Because we are knowing that carbon dioxide, this gas is a best fire extinguisher. This particular gas, it is used as a for the extinguishing of the fire. So in this way, कोई भी burning चीजों को बुझाने के क्या काम में आता है, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस. So with the help of this activity, we can prove that whatever the gas that is going to be released, it is none other than carbon dioxide gas. Right now, see one more property I am going to deal with you. See here, I am rubbing previous ones. See, actually the explanation is going in detail, no problem, but it is little typical chapter, that's why it is necessary for me to also to explain you more and more. Third, you can see what is the another property of the chemical reaction. Third, we will see in form of the what you can say, change in state. Change in state. Change in state meaning is that beta, sometimes what happen, whatever the new substances, their state is also changed. Their state is also changed after the chemical reaction. So when there is a chemical reaction in between the two substances and they are making the new substance, so what happen, whatever the new substance that is going to be formed, its state is also changed. With the help of the example we will understand it. For example, carbon, CARBON, carbon is the solid state, and after that oxygen, O2. Okay, so wherever there is a reaction in between carbon and oxygen, so what they are going to form, they are forming the carbon dioxide gas. Carbon dioxide gas, and it is what? It is gas. This is what? This is solid. Initially they were solid in state, and right now they are coming in the gaseous state. So in this way they are changing their state also. Otherwise you can say the another example, for example CaCO3, calcium carbonate. It is, sorry, what is the state of calcium carbonate? The state of the calcium carbonate is solid state. This is the CaCO3, calcium carbonate. I have told you before it, chalk piece, and it is solid state. अपन ने देखा ये solid state में होता है. And when there is a heating, after the heating process, when we are burning the calcium carbonate, जब भी आप calcium carbonate को burn करते हैं, so they form the two things. One is the CaO, another is the CO2. So what they are forming? They are forming the calcium oxide. They are forming the calcium oxide, and after that again you can see what they are forming, carbon dioxide. And what is the carbon dioxide? Carbon dioxide is a gas. So meaning is that sometimes the state is also going to be changed. Initially you can say it was solid state, and right now you can see it is changing into the gaseous state. So in this way the state is also going to be changed. Some of the properties I will deal you with the next lecture.